Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's learn together. In previous lecture, we have learned about what is beam and types of support, types of loading, then types of beam and calculating reactions. Okay. In this video, we are going to learn how to calculate shear force and bending moment diagram. Okay. Let's take an example of a beam and calculate shear force and bending moment of this beam. Okay. Let us take a simply supported beam carrying a point load at its midspan. That point load is 10 kilonewton and support this is A and this is B and the length is 5 meter. Okay. First, here vertical reactions are arises, that is RA and RB. Before calculating the shear force and bending moment diagram, we have to calculate the reactions. So, calculate reactions. In the previous video, we have learned how to calculate reactions. Calculate reactions. Reactions RA and RB here. So here RA and RB are upward force. So it will be positive. So RA plus RB minus 10 kilonewton, that is equal to 0. If you take summation of V equal to 0. Okay. So RA plus RB equal to 10 kilonewton. Now summation of M about A equal to 0. So look, this reactions RB gives anticlockwise moment. So it will be negative. So RB into 5, then the force 10 kilonewton, it will produce clockwise moment. So it will be positive. So plus 10 into force into perpendicular distance is the moment. So 10 into, if this distance is 5 meter and if in the question there is mentioned what distance the force will be act. Here let's take the distance 2.5 meter, the 10 kilonewton force is act. So we take this distance 10 into 2.5, that will be equal to 0. So RB equal to 10 into 2.5 divided by 5. So we can calculate that. 10 into 2.5 divided by 5, that is 5 kilonewton. Okay. So RA plus RB equal to 10 kilonewton. So we find the value of RB. Now put this value in equations. Then we can find the value of RA, that will be equal to 10 minus 5 equal to 5 kilonewton. So here we can calculate the force RA and RB. Now calculate shear force and bending moment. Shear force. First we have to calculate shear force. Yes. Before calculating shear force, we have keep in mind that shear force will be calculated either from left of the section or right of the section. Okay. And I say in the previous lecture that the sign convention of shear force will be positive or negative. Sign convention of shear force. Okay. When we calculated shear force, we have to keep in mind the sign of movement. Okay. Here we take clockwise movement equal to positive and anti-clockwise movement equal to negative. One more thing I will say you that when you calculate shear force, you just look at the reactions and the vertical forces that is given in the questions. what are its movement? Either it is clockwise or it is anti-clockwise. If the force given movement is clockwise, then just put the force of shear for the shear force sign is positive, and if the force gives anti-clockwise movement, just put the sign of shear force is negative. Okay, and in case of bending moment, when you calculate bending moment, just keep in mind that the signs of forces, that is upward and downward. Okay, what the shear force, when you calculate shear force, you just keep in mind that you will see clockwise movement or anti-clockwise movement, and when you are calculating bending moment, just keep in mind that it is either it is upward or downward. Okay, if it is upward, then you put the sign positive, and if it is downward, you put the sign that is negative. Okay, and you may put it in right or left of the section, there is no difference. Okay, if you put this sign in your mind, then you never be wrong. Okay, and one more thing, you have to calculate shear force at left of the section and right of the section. And just if I start the calculating shear force from left of the section or right of the section, if I starting from right of the section. Okay, you have to calculate shear force at left of the point and right of the point. Here I will write it. Shear force at B, just left, you have to calculate just left and just right. Okay, if we calculate just right, here this is the point B, and its right side and it is left side. Just right, means this point. In this point there is no force is acting, so we can write shear force equal to 0. And in just left means in this point, just left. Okay, here the definition of shear force is said, if when you calculating shear force, just look either left of the section or right of the section. So here if you look right of the section, then at that point what will be the shear force? There is only one force is acting, that is RB. So it will be RB. What is the value of RB? That is 5. Next we move to the sign of shear force at B. Okay, this force RB will gives which moment? It is anti, about that point it is anti-clockwise moment, so it will be negative, so it is minus 5 kilonewton. Okay, next we move to the point C, that is at the midpoint. Shear force at C, if we calculate just right means this point, and just left means this point. Just right, just left. So in this beam there is no further loading without RB, so from that point this force will only vary. So in this point what will be the shear force? We have to see either the left of the section or the right of the section, and here we will see the right of the section. So here only one force, that is RB, is acting, so from that point you have to consider only that reactions. Okay, so RB will be 5 kilonewton, and here the point C, what is the shear force? Shear force will be 5 kilonewton. And what is the sign of this force? About that point the RB reactions which moves anti-clockwise, gives anti-clockwise moment, so it will be negative. So the sign is minus 5 kilonewton. Okay, next move are the just left of the section. Okay, just left of the point C. Here the force minus 5, then if we talk about 10 kilonewton force, about that point this force is acting which moment? Clockwise moment, like that. So it will be plus 10 kilonewton, that will be plus 5 kilonewton. Then we move to shear force at A, just right, just left. Okay, in just left means at that point there is no further loading in this region to A, from A to C region there is no reloading, so the force will be same, that is 5 kilonewton. And just right, just left of the point A, that is 5. Here we have to consider the reaction RA, that is if from this point RA gives which moment? Anticlockwise moment. So that is minus 5. Minus RA, the value of RA is 5. Okay, so it gives 0. Here we calculate the total value of shear force. Okay, before we are drawing this video, now calculate bending moment of the second. We are calculating the bending moment. We have to calculate bending moment at every point. So first, bending moment at point B. At point A and B, there is simply support. Let's keep in mind, in simply support, bending moment at support is equal to 0. Okay, so bending moment at B will be 0. Now bending moment at point C. At point C, there is one reaction which gives moment about the point C, that is RB. So it is RB into its perpendicular distance, how much? That is 2.5. Now we move to our sign convention. What will be the sign of RB into 2.5? The sign will be, I say that when you are calculating bending moment, you just keep in mind that upward force is positive, downward force is negative. In bending moment, force sign; in shear force, moment sign. Okay, just keep in mind that upward equal to positive, downward equal to negative. Okay, then RV is upward force, so it will be positive. So that will be, now put the value of RB, that is 5 kilonewton. 5 into 2.5, that will be equal to 5 into 2.5, that is equal to 12.5. 12.5 kilonewton into meter. That because the sign, the unit of moment is kilonewton into meter, it will be positive. Okay. Now bending moment at A point. I say that at simply support, bending moment will be 0. It will be 0. Let's check it. It will be 0 or not. Okay. So the force RB into distance is 5. About A point, the perpendicular distance is 5. So the distance will be 5. And this is upward force. So it will be positive. And next move to 10 kilonewton force. 10 kilonewton force is downward, so it will be negative, minus 10 into perpendicular distance will be 2.5. Now put the value of RB, that is 5 into 5 minus 10 into 2.5, which will be, let's see how much. 5 into 5 minus 10 into 2.5, that will be equal to 0. So we prove that at simply support the moment will be 0. We can find it. Now draw bending moment diagram. Okay. Our beam is it will be roller support. Okay. It will be placed and the force is 10 kilonewton. Now first draw shear force diagram. Okay. We are calculated shear force just right of the section. We have calculated shear force at just right, that will be 0. So here the point is 0. Now shear force at B just left, that is minus 5. So in this point move to minus 5, that means downward. Downward just move to minus 5, that is minus 5. Next at point C, that is point C. At point C it will be minus 5. So just continue this line up to point C and just left of the section, that is plus 5. Okay, so just moves upward and gives the value 0.5. Okay, next at shear force at A, that is plus 5 at right, so move this 5 to up to point A, and next it is 0, so it will be 0. That is positive, that is negative. Here it is SFD, that is shear force diagram. Okay, now we draw the bending moment diagram. Bending moment at B equal to 0. Bending moment at C, it will be 12.5. So it will be 12.5. 12.5, and next bending moment at A equal to 0. So it will be 0. Here one more thing is, when point load is acting, your bending moment diagram will be linear. Okay, linear, and it will be positive. Okay, here it will be positive and the bending moment will be linear. If here uniformly distributed load will be act, then your bending moment diagram will be parabolic, and if uniformly varying load will act, then your bending moment diagram is cubic parabola. Okay, thank you. If you are not watching my first video, then please go to my description box. Here there I put my first videos link, and please watch it, and if you have any doubt, please comment me and I will clear it. Thank you so much. Please support my video and subscribe to my channel.